We begin this half hour with breaking news. In just the past 15 minutes, the Senate passing a landmark gun violence prevention bill. The bipartisan deal passing easily and clears the way for congressional approval of what experts are calling the boldest gun legislation in nearly 3 decades. The $13 billion deal toughens background checks for young buyers, aims to keep firearms from more domestic violence offenders, and helps states to put red flag laws in place. It goes next to the Democrat-controlled House, where it is expected to pass. Well, that major move coming as many states also eye legislation. Lawmakers in Texas today hearing from the sister of one of the 21 victims shot and killed at a Uvalde elementary school last month, 17-year-old Jasmine Cazares, offering emotional testimony about her 9-year-old sister Jackie, who she called one of the sweetest souls anyone would ever meet. She begged lawmakers to do more.
I shouldn't have to be here right now. I should be at home watching a movie with my sister. It's summer. But I'm not, and I'm here begging for you guys to do something. Or to change something, because the people that were supposed to keep her safe at school didn't. They failed.
Now, Cazares' testimony comes just as the Supreme Court ruled regulations in a New York concealed carry law are unconstitutional. Now, that ruling getting mixed reaction tonight, some calling it a step towards safety and equality, while others say it's exactly the opposite. The challenge to the law asking over New York law requiring applicants for a concealed carry permit to show specialized need for self-protection. Writing for the majority, Justice Clarence Thomas said the Second Amendment is, quote, not a second-class right. But in the dissent penned by retiring Justice Stephen Breyer, he says states have tried to figure out ways to limit who can buy, carry, or limit firearms, and this ruling makes it much more difficult for them to enforce those rules. The decision today sends the case back to the lower courts, and in the meantime, New York City's police commissioner has this warning.
Nothing changes. If you have a premise permit, it does not automatically convert to a carry permit.
New York State officials say they will work on legislation to quickly amend their current permitting framework. The ruling is also likely to impact several other states with similar measures on the books. In the meantime, we're still waiting on multiple rulings from the Supreme Court, including decisions on immigration, that dispute between the high school football coach and his school district after he decided to keep praying on the football field after games, and of course, the decision that could overturn Roe v. Wade and send the issue of abortion back to the states.